Imagine stepping into a presentation by Dr. P. Sivasankaran from Pondicherry's Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, co-branded with Microsoft. We embark on a journey through green transportation systems and supply chain. You'll discover how traditional logistics evolve towards sustainable solutions, reducing emissions and embracing advanced technologies. We frame key objectives, explore emerging innovations, and follow a global supply chain manager's path to greener, more efficient operations. Let's begin this story of transformation. Our journey begins by defining 5 objectives for green transportation. First, minimize environmental impact by cutting emissions, energy use, and fossil fuel reliance to improve urban mobility. Second, deploy electric and hybrid vehicles and expand charging infrastructure. Third, enhance public transit systems like buses and subways. Fourth, promote active mobility through walking and cycling. And finally, integrate renewable energy sources. These goals set the stage for sustainable logistics throughout a global supply chain. In sustainable logistics, a supply chain manager focuses on reducing environmental impacts through green transportation practices. This approach begins with adopting electric and hybrid vehicles and exploring alternative fuels for fleets. Next, maximizing transport efficiency and optimizing route planning cuts unnecessary miles. The manager also emphasizes eco-friendly packaging materials and streamlined network designs. Together, these strategies significantly lower carbon footprints while maintaining operational efficiency across every link in the supply chain. This diagram illustrates a complete green supply chain ecosystem. At its center, green production, warehousing, distribution, transportation, raw material sourcing, design, and purchasing form a continuous cycle. A second graphic maps the flow from supplier to transporter to distribution center and finally to consumer. By integrating green transportation into these steps, from selecting eco-friendly suppliers to managing reverse logistics and recycling, organizations achieve end-to-end sustainability and reduce environmental impact across every node. Green transportation is the vital link between production, distribution, and customers in a sustainable supply chain. By moving goods with minimal environmental impact, it directly influences fuel consumption and emissions. In green supply chain management, transportation accounts for a significant share of a product's carbon footprint. Optimizing routes, vehicle types, and load capacities can dramatically cut energy use. That's why integrating eco-friendly transport strategies is essential for any organization committed to long-term sustainability. Emerging technologies spotlight hydrogen fuel cell vehicles as a zero-emission solution for freight and transit. These trucks and buses generate electricity through onboard fuel cells and emit only water vapor. Key advantages include zero greenhouse emissions, refueling in minutes compared with battery charging, and suitability for long-distance operations. Many companies are piloting hydrogen trucks, while cities deploy hydrogen buses. This innovation helps the supply chain manager meet sustainability targets without sacrificing range or efficiency. Electric vehicles for logistics are transforming urban freight and last-mile delivery. At charging stations, electric trucks draw power from rechargeable batteries instead of fossil fuels, producing zero tailpipe emissions. Advantages include lower operating and maintenance costs, quiet operation, and improved energy efficiency. As a result, electric trucks and delivery vans are increasingly adopted in supply chains to reduce carbon footprints and comply with tighter environmental regulations. This shift to EVs marks another milestone in our green transportation journey. In conclusion, optimizing green transportation systems is crucial for sustainable supply chain management. By integrating advanced algorithms for route planning, deploying eco-friendly vehicles, and leveraging efficient logistics strategies, organizations can significantly reduce carbon emissions. Digital technologies such as real-time tracking and analytics further enhance decision-making and operational efficiency. This holistic approach not only cuts environmental impact, but also drives cost savings and resilience. Embracing this optimized, technology-driven model ensures long-term sustainability in global supply chains. Thank you all for joining this seminar on green transportation and supply chain management. I extend my sincere gratitude to the management and faculty for their guidance to to my mentors and guides for continuous support, and to fellow researchers whose work provided valuable insights. Special thanks to my colleagues, friends, and family for steadfast encouragement. Your collective contributions have made this exploration of sustainable logistics possible. Let's continue advancing green transportation together.